are you all today? Here's some of the chickens. Very noisy. You're very noisy. I've just given them some greens. So they've got some cabbage leaves and some radish leaves today. So they love eating these. They're getting a nice little sunspot there, look. Hello. So these are the chickens that live in the hotel. That's the hotel. They live in here. This is their little pen. They lay eggs in the cupboard there. And then when we get any poorly chickens, they go in there. So that's the chickens, all happy and content. Chickens that live in the stable. All happy and content. We had to bathe their feet. That's quite funny. Look, he looks really dirty. So to get rid of the mites on their feet, we dip their feet in some oil and water, and then some of the, oh God, diatomaceous earth to get rid of the mites on them. So they've all had a dip in. With these long feathery feet, it's hard to see what's going on. So we dip their feet like once a week. They're laying so many eggs. I can't tell you how many eggs they're laying. She's got a bit bald because the cockerels keep pecking her head from mating. So we haven't had any going into, oh dear. We haven't had any going into mating, like laying egg syndrome yet, where they just sit on the eggs. We haven't had any of that. Well, we're getting, oh my God, what are they for? Oh, they're just kicking off. They do this like once a day, have a kicking off session. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you how the chickens are doing. Yeah. Okay. Sue here from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth Pets today, and it is the 6th of April 2022, and I just wanted to say I got some really sad news that Anu, our sheep, he died last week. Haven't been able to bring myself to do a video, so I just thought I'd tell you quickly in this video that Anu is no more. He passed away quietly, and we're not sure why, but because he didn't have his mother's milk when he was first born, it could have something to do with that, which is what the vet told us, unless you get an autopsy, but we're not doing that. But yeah, so he passed away quietly. I was here when he passed away in the morning, and yeah, so I was here when he died. So Anu lived for 2 years, nearly to the day of when we got him on the first day of lockdown 2 years ago, and it actually was the day, 2 years to the day, and he died. So very sad. It's taken me ages to try and make this video, so I just thought I'd quickly make it and just say Anu is no more. So it's very sad in the chicken house. When I come in the mornings now, I haven't got Anu to let out. Anyway, I just wanted to just tell you that, because you're probably wondering why I haven't mentioned him, or in the next videos I won't be mentioning him because he's not here no more. So I'm going to be planting a tree or a rose for him. I will show you when I do that in a memorial bit. What with that and the crows yesterday that I had buried, it's all death. Oh, so we're not sure what we're going to do yet in the way of another pet, because Anu just came into our life. It wasn't intentional, but we do feel like there's a big hole now and we do feel like we want to have some more pets of some sort, preferably not a sheep that is like, you know, not 100%, because he was lucky to be alive anyway when we got him. The farmer said that he was surprised that he'd lived this long, basically. So just thought I'd tell you that. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and God bless Anna. Bye. Say I do have all these wonderful chickens though. They are amazing to watch, and they are just so much fun. So I do have this lot of chickens and the ones I just showed you next door in the hotel. So, and they're giving us so many eggs, it's unbelievable how many eggs they're laying right now. I can't tell you how many eggs they're laying. We've got hundreds of eggs. This is the best lot of eggs we've ever had. So they must be happy, mustn't they? So, oh, at least we're getting that bit right, eh? Anyway, thank you for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon in the next more jollier video. Okay, bye for now. Bye.